There's the BR Class 37 miniature electrical locomotive and the amazingly entertaining volunteer, aka handsome 56-year-old.
Hello.
Here he is. Hello.
Hello.
You're amazing 37.
37 miniature loco.
With the amazingly entertaining one.
Yeah.
And I'm going to film the one with the friendly 79-year-old as well. It's the BR Class 37 miniature electrical locomotive with the amazingly entertaining volunteer. Thank you. It can pull 3, this one. Oh. There's the Pullman Class 37, the BR Class 37 miniature electrical locomotive. There's the joyful 70-year-old and the amazingly entertaining volunteer. Yep, here you go. Gonna have a ride now. Yep, the amazing 37.
Can you go behind the driver?
Yep.
Thanks. Wait for him to stop.
And then I'll go on. Okay. 37.
Hello there, guys. Hello there, guys. It's me.
There's the 37 miniature locomotive with the HP Miniature Railway Preservation Society print. There's the amazingly entertaining volunteer, aka, and you said another thing, didn't you? AKA handsome something.
Me?
Yeah.
Ronnie Biggs.
Oh, nice. There you go.
There goes 37 with the entertaining 56.
Yeah.
That's a real ticket that you're going to call the train. Okay,
Oh, yeah.